Hey, what's up, y'all? I got a huge surprise for you today. Okay, so not today, but in a couple days, I am having my tour done. All right, so remember about 9 months ago when this happened?
Today we're traveling to Las Vegas to meet a triple platinum recording artist who downsized from a 2,700 square foot house into a tiny home. LaShawn is going to take us on a tour of her fabulously decorated home and explain what inspired her to make such a big lifestyle change.
Okay, so remember my last rig, Jewel, and Tiny House Giant Journey came out and filmed her and did the full walkthrough tour. Well, guess what? You're gonna get another full walkthrough tour of my new home, my new tiny home, Dream, and that is with a small d. I have been teasing you guys with bits and pieces of Dream, showing you like my lounge area and how beautiful that looked, and then I threw in little bits and pieces of my dining area, my mid-century modern design, and then my office area. I also showed you a little bit of the kitchen and the bathroom. However, you guys have not seen any of the bedroom because I wanted that to be like a major surprise because it was a major undertaking to do that room, which is why I saved it for last. But it is all done now, which is why I saved it for last. I had to sit with it for a while. But anyway, I don't want to give it all away. I just kind of wanted to let you know to be expecting the tour. It's going to be coming up on Jenna's channel, and all of the bits and pieces, the nuts and bolts, I should say, that's still going to be featured on my channel, on my YouTube channel at LaShawn Will. So you'll get a chance to see how everything came about, how I came up with my materials, and how I had to MacGyver the hell out of certain things. I know you guys like that, and so I'll be featuring that stuff still here on my channel, and giving you those behind the scenes, those BTS videos, okay? So please make sure that even though you're gonna watch the full tour on her channel, I will do my own version of a tour, but I'm gonna break it down so that way we can actually dissect everything, because it's nice to see all, you know, the pretty stuff all done, but I know a lot of you want to know how I got from point A to point B. Okay, so I'm still gonna be showing you that stuff here on my channel, but what I wanted to share with you today, I am going live. I don't know how many of you will actually show up for that. Hold on. Y'all know I gotta have my smoothies, my mega smoothies. Anyway, so yeah, I am gonna go live. Hopefully at least 5, 6, 10, 500 of you guys will actually show up for that. But I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, and I don't know what time to put just yet for you, because there are some of you that are 2, 3 hours, 8, 10, 12 hours behind me. I have friends all over the world, and I have my co-stars, and you guys are all over the place. I can't tell you where everybody is, but I can tell you Las Vegas time, probably somewhere around 4 my time PM, and I will definitely put something out so that you guys know what time to expect and what time to tune in. So I have my videographer, who is also my personal trainer. He just happens to be a videographer as well, and he's going to film me film me while I take some questions from you guys. We're gonna do a little bit of Q&A about the home, and if there's some really good questions that I maybe need to add in when Tiny House Giant Journey comes out to film me, because they're coming this weekend as well. So we're not going to be competing. We're going to be on different days, but I want to get your feedback, your input, what you really want to see, what you want us to focus on during this interview, and then that way I can try and get to that. And then whatever I don't get to during that interview, I will definitely get to when I do my own versions of my tour, okay? My tours. So anyway, I just kind of want to put that out there, let you guys know to come tomorrow and check out the live so that we can hang out for a little bit. And yeah, I'll do it. Like, just drop me a comment and let me know if you're here for it. If you are, if enough of you guys are gonna show up for it, then I'll do it. If I get, you know, crickets, chances are I'm not going to waste my time because this is a lot of work. So anyway, hope to see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe also to Jenna's channel, Tiny House Giant Journey, so you don't miss my full tour when that comes out. Okay? Thanks, guys. I love you. Bye. I love you. Bye.